The system database contains names of over 100 different muscle names. To simplify muscle selections when testing, the user can create a short list of their favorite and commonly tested muscles. Click on Edit, User Setup, and Frequent Muscle Setup. The master list of muscles in the system database is shown on the left side in alphabetical order. The current contents of the frequently tested muscles is shown on the right. You may find it easier to build your own list from scratch. So we will remove all the muscles from the list on the right side. This is done quite easily by clicking on the first muscle name. Then hold the Shift key down on your computer keyboard, scroll all the way to the bottom of the list, and click on the last muscle name. Click on Remove. We have cleared the list on the right hand side. Now add the muscles from the master list to your frequently tested muscle list. Click on the muscle name and then click on Add. Select More Muscles as appropriate. Here is an example of a list of frequently tested muscles. We have muscles from the upper limb at the top, and then they are followed by muscles from the lower limb. The contents of the list can also be edited and organized. Just as we can add muscles to this, we can also remove individual muscles from this list. So for example, if I want to get rid of the FDP, click on the muscle name and then click on Remove. We can also change the sequence of muscles in this list. For example, if I wanted to move the deltoid higher up in the list, click on deltoid and then move it up. Similarly, I will move the triceps higher in the list. Using the Move Down button, we can also move the muscles lower in the list. So I will choose the cervical paraspinal and move it down. In this manner, the user can create a list of frequently tested muscles to fit their order of EMG examination. Having created the list, click on the OK button to save it. This list will become available starting with the next patient.